welcome back to my channel and welcome to EA Beauty Parlor, the best salon in Abakaliki. Come, let me show you around.
Ever since the day that you went away,
You guys can see how big this place is. Has everything, your hair, your affordable hair, braided wigs, skincare products, hair care products, every single thing. Spot the CEO at the back. I want you guys to see her soon. So like you guys know, we're going to do our nails in the best reviewed salon in Abakaliki, like the best of the best.
instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away.
So they're about to start Chioma's nails. You guys can see special treatment, special chairs, not the one you sit on top stone, no. So guys, see, I'm just comfortable, like enjoying my style. This place is very, very beautiful. Like I showed you guys earlier. It's my friend Chioma, Adoma, and Amara. Your hair,
Human hair.
like the best of the best. See her now, hey, can your hair vendor ever see her now? see her now, come, affordable ones so, and quality, see now. Me the CEO, EA Beauty Parlor, is she shy? Ha, you're meant to be proud that you have the best salon in AI.
You know, let me go and talk like all these motivational speakers. You put a lot of work. You can think it. You can think it. You need to work hard. I stay up from my bedroom. No sleep. Yes, don't sleep. They say early to bed, early to rise. That's a lie. You need to sleep late. I wake up early. So that's how you can see.
Yeah. Yeah, you have a very nice place.
I can actually record it down, please.
Yes, I'll put it.
Sleep. Oh. It's good that you should let the work of your heart. You change your this one. It's God though.
Yes,
God,
yes.
keep improving on yourself. What am I saying? You didn't ask for my advice, did you?
No, but no, give us the advice. We need it as upcoming entrepreneurs.
Okay. Let me give you my advice.
Yeah.
Please, just pray and pray and keep praying and then keep keeping yourself as much as you can.
Yeah.
Meet people, be open, keep keeping relationships. You don't really need friends to become a CEO. You need business partners and good relationships
Yeah.
and friends. You need small friends. Okay, thank you.
Thank
Thanks for coming to my salon.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye-bye. Favor Steve around. Favor Steve around.
I'm trying to put your face together. When last did I see you? It's been long ago, my dear.
They're so fine.
I want to do my own now. Now you should do fast.
No rush, please. I'm sister of the bride.
Wow, us friends to the bride.
Jesus! As in,
Like 6, 5 days.
no, where did you know it was?
4 years.
No, I don't know years. No, there was a day you came to my house.
2 years.
No, it's actually 3 years. Both of us came for Chidima's wedding. It's actually 3 years.
So that's 2 years. That I came.
October.
That's what I came for.
I don't know what you came for, but you came. Felicia was very just like a survival of cancer.
Girl, you know who I'm standing with? Class 1 president worldwide. This is why you want about state. Nigeria, the class 1. You know what class 1? You want president, she used to go to Kogi, Lagos, all the states, you got all the states in this Nigeria because of class. Hey, this is
This is in trouble.
Madam, I hail you.
Get out. Stop.
Oh, did I
I'm so tired of yet
Okay, let's try the cheese nails. Okay, let's start. I'm going to show you the finished product when they are done. You can see mine.
Yeah, see, I know she knows very well. Maybe you can show it to me.
See mine. See mine.
What's your name? Your name is what? Oh. Say bye-bye to my viewers. Good morning, guys. I wasn't able to end my vlog yesterday. We came back very late. I'm very tired, so I decided to end it this morning by showing you guys my nails from EA Beauty Parlor. I know you're seeing the other one from the left. I'll show you guys my friend's own later on. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all on the next one. I'm starting a new vlog today.